In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed iFrame in Notion. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place live, interactive content on your Notion page so it looks clean and works the way you expect. First, open the Notion website in your browser. You can use the desktop app as well. Everything we're doing works the same way. Give the page a moment to load so all your workspace content is ready. Next, either open an existing page where you want the content to appear or create a fresh page if you're starting from scratch. A clean page can be helpful if you're testing, but you can embed on any page that makes sense for your workflow. Make sure your cursor is active in the body of the page so you're ready to add a new block. Now, let's add the actual embed. On your page, type / and start typing the word embed. You'll see the embed block appear in the menu. Select it to insert the block, and Notion will prompt you for a link. Paste the URL of the content you want to display inside the iFrame. This could be a web page, a dashboard, a map, a form, or another supported service. Notion will fetch a preview and display it directly on your page. A quick tip here. Some websites do not allow embedding for security or policy reasons. If your content doesn't load, it often means the site is blocking iframes. In that case, double-check that you're using a shareable, public link from the service you're embedding, and make sure it uses a secure HTTPS address. If it still doesn't appear, the site likely doesn't support iFrame embedding inside Notion. Once your embed loads, you'll see it right on the page. From here, feel free to adjust its size so it fits your layout. Hover over the block and drag the handles to make it wider or taller, and position it in the flow of your page so it lines up with your text, headings, or other blocks. If you prefer a more spacious view, you can expand the block to make your content easier to read. Keep an eye on how the embed looks in light and dark mode if you switch themes, and consider the surrounding content so everything stays scannable and organized. That's it. You've opened Notion, set up your page, added an embed block, pasted your link, and resized the iFrame so it looks great. Save your changes, and you're ready to keep building.